Okay, so we are going live to share a really quick video with you today. So over the last 3 months, we've been running a competition for any of our clients who sign up would be automatically eligible to win a iPad for their business. So see this on the website that we have a lovely competition going on here where you can win an iPad. All you have to do, you could kick some serious tasks with the iPad being worth nearly €400. It's going to be shipped out straight to the client. Any client was eligible around the world. All you had to do was, it was a big enough ask, you had to sign up as a client. So there are a small amount of entries into this, but don't worry if you weren't included in this. We are giving away, setting up a new competition that's going live today. That'll be live for all of April. And it will give you the ability to win a website worth €2,500 and also to have a chance to win a website maintenance package worth €400. So we're giving €3,000 worth of website development items away during the month of April. All you got to do is have a look at the competition. It'll take 1 or 2 clicks to enter. There are 11 different ways for you to enter, and you can do it through visiting a certain page, following us on Twitter, having a look at our YouTube, subscribing to our newsletter, and a few other parts. So the link will be in the description, and let us know if you've got any questions or any difficulties with that. So what we're going to do here is we are going to pick one of the clients to win a iPad, and this is going to happen within a few seconds. So I'm going to savor it for a second, because I've never given away something worth over a few €100, and then we're going into the second month, going into giving away a prize worth €3,000. Okay, so what we have here is we have a wheel of names at wheelofnames.com, lovely free tool that we can use. All I have to do is preloaded some different customers that are eligible to win into this wheel of names. And one of these customers is going to win an iPad straight away, and I'll be giving them a call today to let them know. Let's see if we can get a video of them afterwards. Once they get the iPad, may surprise 1 or 2 of them. Well, most of the clients should know that this is available. We're all busy, so maybe they have missed it throughout the last 3 months. Okay, so all we have to do is click this button. Before I do, I just wanted to quickly have a look at what we are doing here for the next competition. So I'll show you what we're doing on the next competition. We are giving away, as I said, a website worth €2,500. You can enter to win pretty fast, pretty easily. All you have to do is one of these 11 items down below. We've got 2 main prizes. One is the €2,500 website development pack, and the other one is a maintenance pack. So we can do a few updates and edits to your website with the value of €400. On our website, we have a load of different client projects. We've got demos set up. We have lots of different items that you can go in and have a look at. So let's see if we've got one of the different demos here. So we're going to handmade demo.glasswell media, and this is going to go into one of the made websites that we have made. I'll quickly give you a look at 2 of the other websites that we have also built over the last while. So we have Links Financial Group. This is a Dublin-based financial services business where they are rejuvenating the brand. They've introduced new branding, new website. Gareth from inside the business has just joined the team again, and they look like they're doing absolutely great things. I think the website's come together really well using our in-house developers, and everything is emphasizing the services while keeping all the information nice and clean. While Moda Beauty is a beauty salon, again based in Dublin. They have just introduced an e-commerce shop which allows you to go in and to purchase from their website, or if you want, you can go and contact them and book appointments with them when we get out of all this lockdown. But in the meantime, go check out their website. They've got lovely products in here, from gift sets, makeup, nails, skincare, tanning, and lots of other products. They've got huge reviews from all of their clients for the last few years, and they've got great testimonials in there as well. And then what you could be getting is a website which is worth €2,500. So that would give you a 10-page website plus housing for a year, or it could give you a 5-page website, add-on e-commerce, and a few different items in there. We can figure those details out and explain it to the winner when we get to that point. We may have an explainer video before that during the month of April before we announce who has won. So go check it out. You can see there are some entries starting off already, and we will be giving away those 2 prizes on the 4th of May, because it is my birthday. Thought it was a nice day to celebrate giving away such a big prize. Usually I like to try to take off one day during the year, which I look forward to taking off, is my birthday. Hasn't happened in a few years, so let's see if we can do it on May the 4th, except for giving away €3,000 worth of prizes to 2 lucky people. Okay, so back to the competition at hand. So all I'm going to do is to click this button, find out who has won the iPad, and then we're going to publish it onto some of the social media channels, onto YouTube, where we don't have a live video going at the moment. If you join us live, thank you very much for entertaining my rambles, and also for having a look to see who is about to win this beautiful, amazing iPad. So let's pull up the Win an iPad page again, just as a reminder of what they're going to be winning. And we're going to click this button to find out who is the lucky person. Pretty nervous about this. I can see, I know all these different customers, worked with them over the last while, and I'd love to see all of them win an iPad. Today we only get to do one, but delighted to be able to give one iPad away to someone. Okay, so you could do a drum roll, help me along. Oh, here we go. And the winner is the Common Room. Hey! Oh, this is great. Okay, so Common Room. This is a brand new client that we have on board over the last few weeks. We've been building them out a website. You may or may not know of Common Room in Trinity. It's a faculty lovely building which allows people, teachers throughout Trinity, to go in, relax and enjoy themselves and take a bit of a break. And we are currently building out a site for them, and delighted for them. I'll be getting in touch with them now in the next few minutes to let them know that they have won a brand new iPad to go along with their brand new website. And yeah, that's the competition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up the video, but make sure that you get yourself back over to the current competition. This will be shared throughout social media throughout May, April, and then we'll be giving it away on the 4th of May. So feel free to drop a comment, let us know what you thought, if you've got any questions, if we can help out in any way, or if you wanted to get back and talk to one of our, myself or one of the guys on our team, then drop us an email, a social media message, or give us a call, and look forward to talking to you. Have a good day. I hope some people are getting a 4-day weekend coming up. We're having a laugh, working away. Okay guys, best of luck. Bye bye now.